Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aryan Tutorial. I'm Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and in this video I'm going to the in-depth of a proposal writing as to what are the rules, points that you need to remember while making your proposal to get that perfect 10 on 10. Okay, so let's get started. First of all comes your format. कुछ इस तरीके से आपका प्रपोजल रहेगा कि you have to address the topic जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले दिया है वो. Then you have to provide a heading or introduction. Again, advice यही रहेगा. यहाँ पे तो हमारे स्कूल में हमने बताया गया है, बोला है कि आप या तो हेडिंग या तो इंट्रोडक्शन कोलोन देके फिर दो स्टेटमेंट उसके बारे में देना है. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट यू हैव टू राइट 2 स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज इट कैरीज 2 मार्क्स. ठीक है. Then comes your leave a line. After you have written the heading and introduction, you have to leave a line. You have to leave a line and then write your objective, which has to incorporate 2 points again, which will provide you with 2 marks. And after that, again, you have to leave a line and write the list of measures, जिसमें 4 component क्या होने चाहिए. I've written over there what and how. It's what or how, that where the event is to take place, where the place designated for the event, when, the timing for the event, and who is the concerned person who is going to take up the responsibility of conducting the event. Okay. उसके बाद again you have to leave your line and write your conclusion, but make sure कि conclusion में आप conclusion मत लिख के आ जाइएगा इस तरीके से. You just have to give your closing statement and finish up your proposal. तो आइए आपको एक सैंपल प्रपोजल दिखाता हूं एंड उसको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं कि कैसे आपका प्रपोजल राइटिंग बनना है ताकि कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी आ जाए. There you go. So this was the topic. As the head boy or head girl of the school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a music club and write a proposal for that. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले आएगा आपका टॉपिक, जिसको अगेन आपको सेंट्रल अलाइनमेंट में लिखना है. अगेन यू मे राइट इट इन ऑल कैप्स और यू मे नॉट, इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी अगेन. देन यू हैव टू लीव अ लाइन एंड राइट योर हेडिंग और इंट्रोडक्शन. दोनों मत लिखिएगा, कोई भी एक चीज लिख दीजिएगा. ठीक है. As it is rightly said, music is the therapy for one's soul and solution to life's greatest sorrows. I would like to extend a proposal to set up a music club. Directly she is addressing the issue in our school. It would inculcate in the students a better understanding of the music, art of music. Point number 1. इसके लिए आपको 1 मार्क मिलेगा. While acting as a catalyst. What is a catalyst? It's a source. ठीक है. Acting as a catalyst, as a source in improving the mental health of the students. Point number 2. And here you will get your full 2 marks for the introduction portion. Okay. Then again you have to leave a line and write your objectives after leaving your line. A music club would also foster productivity, means it will enhance productivity among the students, as students would spend their leisure time in practicing music. Point number 1. It would serve as a medium of expression for the students and also as an outlet for emotions, for venting out your emotions through music without containing within themselves a fear of judgment. So 2 points, therefore she has got full 2 marks over here as well. 2 marks for 2 points. Then again you have to leave a line and write the list of measures. Now list of measures लिख के आप next line से शुरू करिएगा and line मत छोड़िएगा. Do not leave your line after writing the list of measures. You have to give 4 list of measures. The music club may try to incorporate the word may as prescribed by your council, CISCE council, because a proposal is again written to the higher authority and it has to be in a politer tone. So that request wala element has to come in the proposal, because they might accept it or they can even reject it depending on the authority's discretion, approval. ठीक है. So use the word may. The music club may organize its meeting on Thursdays and Saturdays of each week from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So the time has been given and the day has been given. So she has touched when Then comes the practice may be held in the music room of our school. So she has touched where. These sessions would be conducted by our music facilitator, Mr. Green. So it is who, and students of the senior section would be eligible for participation. And in the club, students would be encouraged to learn different instruments. That means what or how. What will happen in the music club? So in the club, the students would be encouraged to learn different instruments and also master them with time, adding as an asset to their skill set. And after leaving a line, she has provided a conclusion, her closing statement. I genuinely hope our proposal will be accepted at the earliest. So we as students of this esteemed institution can feel the rhythm of music. Now there is a slight error over here that first your name has to come. First you have to write your name and then your designation. So it should be Adya Dukania and then head girl यहाँ पे होगा नाम के नीचे. ठीक है? Full stop. Okay? I hope this is clear. And if you're finding my video helpful, then please do like, share, subscribe and share it with your friends for more such quality content. Goodbye. Take care.